Hello, welcome back to another video. I have another great job opportunity for you today. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing and turning on your notifications so that you never miss an update. This is for a customer service representative with Ferguson. It's a full-time position. And here's a little bit about Ferguson. Ferguson is North America's leading value-added distributor across residential, non-residential, new construction and repair, maintenance and improvement end markets spanning 34,000 suppliers, more than 1 million customers. We deliver local expertise, value-added solutions, and the industry's most extensive portfolio of products. From infrastructure, plumbing, and appliances to HVAC, fire protection, fabrication, and more, we make our customers' complex projects simple, successful, and sustainable. The customer service representative for the own brand warranty and technical team is responsible for providing customers with warranty repair parts and technical assistance for Ferguson's own brand product. Typical activities are the receiving of calls and emails from customers, plumbers, and Ferguson branch associates who may be inquiring about own brand product related questions. The representative will be directly responsible for guiding and assisting all customers. The representative should focus on following guidelines, using their time effectively, and following up with customers in a timely manner. Some of your responsibilities would be phone calls, answering customer calls and assisting with scenarios presented, emails, answering customer emails within 24 hours, and assisting with scenarios presented, warranty orders, order and ship parts and products to customers, apply own brand warranty policy in terms of and provide basic troubleshooting support. Some additional duties will be to demonstrate excellent customer service skills and resolving customer scenarios, listening and responding with empathy to issues and concerns in a key attribute, working within the Ferguson phone system, utilizing a case management tool to log issues and solutions, monitor shared inbox. Some of the qualifications would be a minimum of 2 years meaningful work experience in customer service preferred, strong written and verbal communication skills with the ability to communicate effectively, must be well organized, detail-oriented, and have excellent time management skills, display a high level of integrity and professionalism, ability to handle a fast-paced environment, ability to be flexible and adaptable, as this position often requires multitasking. And Ferguson is dedicated to providing meaningful benefits programs and products to our associates and their families, geared toward benefits, wellness, financial protection, and retirement saving. Ferguson offers a competitive benefits package that includes medical, dental, vision, retirement savings with company match, paid leave, employee assistance programs, associate discounts, community involvement opportunities, and much more. Actual pay rate may vary depending upon location. The estimated pay range for this position is $15 to $19.71, and that depends on the qualifications and prior experience of the candidate. Now, to apply for this position, you would click the Apply button. You can either autofill with your resume or apply manually. I want to wish you all the best of luck. Thanks so much for tuning in to watch my video. I hope that you found it to be helpful. The job links are in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Until next time, bye.